Good morning, everyone. It's a bit of a rainy one this morning. So we've got some couple of washing machines, microwaves, scrapped out PCs. It was just all in my trailer, and since I have a day off, might as well go and have a look what we have. Just around the corner, I found a couple of golf bags, some weights, and found some. So we've got Makita radio. It looks in a very dirty, not so good state. And we've also got a couple of drills. Now, are they working? Who knows? There's a heat gun there, and I found this helmet. This is a bike riding helmet. Just take it out. So it's a good looking helmet. Looks very nice and clean too. There's no any scuff marks on it. And it was in its original bag. That has sort of prompted me to maybe go for a bit of a drive and see what else is out there. We've got a couple of scooters and whatnot, so yeah, let's go for a bit of a drive. Okay, so we've come across our first pile. We've got a washing machine. Cords have been cut, but motor is there. So most of the cords have been cut on all these things. For the bike. Couple of stainless. What is that? Some sort of printer? Shredder. What's a shredder? Someone's cut the cord already off the Dyson. It's okay. We'll grab this washing machine. Dirty aluminium. We'll take the scooter. It's another scooter to add to a pile. Now for the guys that are living on this side, packing them. Our local scrapyard no longer is accepting fridges. So, what is in this? I'll open that up. Looks like there's something in there. But what is that? It's like a box for keeping your timbers. Plates. What is that? Might take that plant. Love plants. Ooh, look at this. Yeah, this is nice. This wouldn't be cheap. See these? No, we're not interested in cities. Pretty much it. This thing, it's metal. Take it. That's a nice basketball ring. This is a dryer. Yep, it's a bit lighter. That's alright. Put that up as well. Awesome. Did see just around the corner a couple more washing machines, but as they're heavy, what I might do, I might actually come back for another quick run and pick him up. So maybe this one will not be as heavy. We'll see. Looks like a dishwasher and a dryer, another dryer. What is that? Panasonic 4K. Now this is another pile that I've found, but I'm quite full, as you can see. There's another pile around the corner with quite a lot of washing machines also. Wait, that's a PC. What? Hey, we found a PC. How good's that? What is this? Oof, that's quite heavy. What is in here? Let's look. It's some sort of a card. MSI. Hey. There you go. A couple of nice bits and pieces. That is heavy. Okay, that's a diff. That's for car. A couple of... They're good for fuel. Alright, we'll take that. What else is there? So let's get this TV. Oh, what? Another helmet. Okay, so this is a dirt bike helmet. With goggles and all. Okay. Leave that aside. Yeah, let's get this thing out. There we go. Oh, the hard drive's still in there. V3 FX. Okay. Oh, that's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. Give me some second. Just take that down. Okay, so we found some Fox dirt bike boots as well. Looks like aluminium cover for that diff maybe. The helmet. It's quite a bit of metal. So we'll just try and put all that in the back of the car. And this PC. Is this a gaming? Maybe entry level? Oh, maybe you guys can tell me. Kind of things that you will see. Scrapyard. So this could have been sold. Cords not cut. Motors not removed. Gotta get a bit better, guys. Let's unload. Looks like I'm gonna have to go and do another one. Still things that I've left possibly even a third run. There's just so many of these around today, so we're gonna make the most of it. Alright, just got home. Just wanted to show you. Picked up another one of these scooters, whatever they're called, elderly scooters. Now the guy was saying to me that it did work, so I'm keen to see if it does work. We picked up one of these scooters quite a few videos back, a red one, and we sold it. I have a blue one that works, so yeah, I'm curious to see if this one also works. Apart from that, yeah, we've picked up quite a few dishwashers. There's a hot water service here. Mind you, we've done 2 trips, so this would have been our 3rd one for today, but we're gonna call it a day there. Yeah, quite a few bits and pieces. There's a water karcher. This is brand new, steam mop, still in a box. The PC, couple of aluminium ladders, some plants, some aluminium bits and pieces, helmets. That steel, which is up on the roof. That's gonna be really handy. So there's 2 of them. Some helmets, some drills, and bits and pieces inside. Boots. Overall, pretty good day. So not bad for 2 and a bit hours. 2 trips to the scrapyard, and there's quite a bit more in here. Right. We'll go and see what our payment was for today. And another load to go with the other ones. Okay guys, let's talk about money. So in total, we went to the scrapyard 3 times in 2 days. Now the prices from one day to the next actually changed, as you're gonna see shortly. So we dropped off a trailer load, and we had 308 kilos of pressing at 22 cents, which came to $67.76, and we had 32 kilos of aluminium ironing at 50 cents a kilo, which came to $16. So that first day was the total is 83.76. And then on the second day that we showed you in our video just before, we had 2 drop-offs, and as you can see in receipt, so we had 340 kilos of pressing at 20 cents, so it dropped down 2 cents at $68. We had 15 kilos of aluminium ironing, and that price was 50 cents a kilo, $7.50. And the second load was 325 at 20 cents, $65. So the second day came to $140.50. So in the 2 days, we've made over $220, about 224, something like that, which is awesome. $220 for free. Now, as I've said before, it does help because we live roughly about 3.5, maybe 4 k's from the scrapyard. As you all know, all over the world, the petrol prices are quite high at the moment, and if we lived any further, it would not really be worth it, as the prices of metal have dropped quite significantly. I think roughly about 30%, if not a bit more. So you got to take all this into consideration. Yeah, thankfully for us, we are close to the scrapyard, and scrapping still makes it worthwhile, and we're making profit, which is the main thing. That wraps up today's video. So if you haven't already done by now, guys, please consider subscribing. Come along on our journey on how we make a few extra dollars by scrapping metal, and have a bit of fun looking for treasures. So thank you for your support, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.